Oh hey, Matthew from Audio Kit here.
I saved the chorus until the very end because I wanted the sound engine to sound phenomenal without having to be dressed up. I've spent 40 to 50 hours working on the chorus, which features emulations of each component that make up the chorus. The Bucket Brigade delay lines, the LFOs, etc. Let's talk about the filter. It's a unique design.
Welcome to the test. Here's the first one. Here is the second one. Number 3. That concludes the test. Please, write your answers and do not copy off your neighbor.
I gotta tell you, one of my favorite things about the Juno is the oscillator range function. It allows you to shift the entire patch up and down an octave. You can even retrigger all the held notes with the range buttons, giving you another play surface. But that's the great thing about redesigning an instrument. You can go back and try to realize the original vision for a synth. Roger Lynn, inventor of the drum machine, graciously came to speak to my students. And he taught us to build on the past, but don't repeat it. So I'm trying to push things forward with this app.